Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Firstly, a very happy and prosperous New Year to all of you. Last year, 2019 was very special for me because I started my cooking journey in YouTube and I have got lot of love and support from my family, friends and all my dear subscribers. I would like to thank each one of you for supporting me and encouraging me to make new and interesting recipes all these days. Also, I want you guys to support me further. This new year, 2020, I would like to bring in more new recipes like cookies, chocolates, different types of pastries or cool cakes for birthdays and anniversaries, which you can prepare at home with ease and comfort. So as you all know, basically Afreen's Tasty Kitchen is known for its easy cooking. Do comment in the comment box and let me know if you have any request for any specific recipe. I will definitely try to make a video of it. This year I am going to start Afreen's Tasty Kitchen with a sweet dish. All my dear subscribers, you will have to just wait for a few hours for the surprise to get revealed. Stay tuned and share Afreen's Tasty Kitchen with your family and friends. Once again, I would like to wish each and everyone a happy and a prosperous new year. Eat healthy with Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Stay fit and happy. Take a very good care of yourselves and enjoy this new year with your family and friends. Okay then, bye-bye. See you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's